Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your very first subdomains and how you can install WordPress in this subdomain. So let's get started. In order to do that, go to your hosting cpanel. I'm using Hostinger, so this is my cpanel, and then in the hosting area you will see manage area. Click on manage and then scroll a little bit. Then you can see this domain area and you will see this subdomain part. So click on subdomain, and here you can see this subdomain area. There you can create your subdomain. So I'm already creating these 3 subdomains here. So I'm creating another one, like I name it guru.digitaluttam.com. okay, and click on create. And this message says subdomain created successfully. So you can see this guru@digitaluttam.com is created. So now it's time to install WordPress. So go to your WordPress and then go to dashboard, and you will see this kind of page is here. Then scroll a little bit down and you will see site installs and install another WordPress. Just click on install it and select on WordPress, and here you need to select HTTP or HTTPS. So I am using HTTPS. I will show you how you can create HTTPS for subdomains for later this video, so to stick to this video. And then click on here and select your subdomain is guru.digitaluttam.com. create, and then create your username and like guru, and say password like and then set a website title guru website. You can name it anything here, and then you select your language, and that's it. You can create your database password also, so I'm not using this. So, and after that create and go to install, then it will install your WordPress. Let's wait. Let's wait this. So my installation process is done. Then need to go to your site. So let's type our site guru.digitaluttam.com. click on enter and see our WordPress site is open, but here is not installing our SSL. So go to your WordPress dashboard, Hostinger dashboard, and click on home, and then SSL certificate here and set up here, and see this is already done, guru.digitaluttam.com, and install SSL certificate. So if you want to create unlimited SSL certificate, just call your hosting provider, and then they will provide some SSL certificates, and that's why you can install your SSL certificate. So let's check it out, refresh it, and you will see here HTTPS is connected. Let's go to our dashboard, WordPress dashboard. So WP admin, click on enter, and I will see my WordPress dashboard here. There's a type guru, and this side be guru 4, and login, don't save, and here you can see how successfully WordPress is installed. So if you're using cpanel, like for HostGator and many like Godaddy. So in order to do that, go to your cpanel and this domain area, click on subdomain and create a subdomain, name anything, and then create, and it will shows up here. And if you are using Bluehost, then click on domains and then click on subdomains, and you will create anything here and then choose your which kind of subdomain you can to create it, and then also create this, and it will show successfully create your subdomain. So this way you can create your subdomain. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question and doubt, please mention it in the comment section. I will back to you.